Scientists are still baffled by consciousness, and the questions about why we have it and how we have it constantly go unanswered. One theory is that consciousness is created on a quantum, subatomic scale through the energy that is constantly contained in the universe. The theory is based on Einstein's famous quotation, when he said, "Energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be changed from one form to another." Dr. David Hamilton said that all consciousness is and always has been in the universe through quantum particles, and when you are born, it is channeled into a physical being. Writing for the Heal Your Life website, Dr. Hamilton said, "I think each of us exists before being born on Earth." He added, "Each of us is pure consciousness, currently focused on a physical dimension. Science would typically say that life is random, ultimately comes from the random birth of subatomic particles, but I do not entirely agree with that. Mainstream science says that consciousness must be a side effect of brain chemistry. But I think the brain merely affects consciousness, just as the quality of the wiring on a television affects the processing of the signal and therefore the quality of the image that it obtains. TV does not create the program, nor does the brain create awareness. Consciousness is fundamental to nature, it is sewn into the very fabric of reality. Consciousness transcends time and space," he said. He added, "If you start with the assumption that you exist as pure consciousness, then you must have existed before you were born. You really are everywhere and everywhere." Dr. Robert Lanza shares a similar theory. He believes that our minds exist through the energy that is contained in our bodies and is released once our physical beings cease in a process he calls biocentrism. As such, when our physical bodies die, the energy of our consciousness could continue on a quantum level. Dr. Lanza says that there are an infinite number of universes, and everything that could happen happens in some universe. As a result, he theorizes that consciousness continues to exist in a parallel universe. Dr. Lanza points out the uncertainty principle, a 1927 theory of the German physicist Werner Heisenberg that says that the speed and position of an object can be measured at the same time.